Okay, today we have a 2009 Nissan Maxima, and we are going to be replacing the door mirror. Okay, now there are a lot of covers you are going to have to snap away. One of the first trim pieces is this door handle cover. You're gonna take your pry tool, kind of just okay. You guys can see that. And there's a screw. It's gonna be a 10mm screw in there. You're gonna use a 10mm socket to get to it. The next cover trim piece is behind here. There's also going to be a 10mm screw behind there, which I already took out. Your next 10mm screw is going to be behind this window switch. So what you're going to do, you're going to come to this side. See, that side's already open, but you're gonna have to pry it open. It's gonna pop open. Take it out. There's also gonna be wiring connected to that window switch. So you're gonna want to press these tabs, press that tab in and pull away from the window switch. You're gonna want to do the same thing with this one as well. There's gonna be a tab right here. You're gonna want to press that in, press that tab in as hard as you can and pull away from the window switch. Okay. Now, with that out the way, there's access to the third 10mm bolt, which is right here. Okay, now you're gonna reach behind this door panel and pull towards you. One more thing, not to forget. You're gonna reach behind this door panel and pull away from you and kind of just snap the clips out. It should come right off. This piece as well. This piece as well. And that's gonna give you access to. Now what I like to do, I'll hold this door panel so that I could go ahead and mount my new mirror. Gonna slide my wiring in first. Then I'm gonna line the studs of the mirror. Okay. Once those studs are lined with the holes at the door, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my wire connector and snap it into place. You should hear a click. Okay. Now I can put my door panel back on, and I didn't even have to take it all the way off or disconnect any of the door handle cables or speaker wires or anything. Also, don't forget the trim piece that goes here has 2 clips that can snap into those holes. Now I'm gonna put my door panel back on. I'm gonna start with the top because my top has a lip on it. I don't know if you guys can see. It has this lip on it right here that I wanna make sure it goes over this lip on the window sill. So hopefully you guys see me work my magic. So start with the top. Once the top is seated, go around the door panel to make sure all the clips are lined up with the holes of the door. And voila. Now you have to put your screws back in, plug everything up, and yeah, that's how you